A reminder that what we're trying to do is get up to 25 students in each of the groups. If you have fewer than 25 students in any group, you will get the attendance data for every single student. But in this case, where we have 73, for example, we have to cull the list down to 25. And in this segment, we'll be selecting every fourth student. First, you can print this document off, so there may be multiple pages. In this case, there are 3 pages with the grand total at the bottom. The way the pages are laid out, it shows the non-regular attendees first, and then the regular attendees second, and then the grand total at the bottom. So I'm going to go back to the first page. So in this case, we're going to take the first 2 pages, which are the 73 non-regular attendees, and starting from the bottom, we will highlight every fourth student. It's an unscientific method, but for the pilot, that's what we're going to do. Just every fourth student until you get your 25 students. The way this report is generated, it goes from lower grades to upper grades. So we're starting at the bottom with the higher grades and moving into the lower grades. If you get to the top of the list and you still don't have your 25 students highlighted, then you go back to the bottom again and work through the list a second or even third time until you get your 25 students. Here I'm going to go from bottom to top, so counting off 1, 2, 3, 4. So I mark the first one, count off 2, 3, 4, count off the next one. So it's just a regular counting, and you want to get 25 yellow marks. You go all the way to the top. If you need to keep going and restart, you would continue counting and the second time through the list, but as you count, you would ignore or skip the students that have already been selected and have the yellow marker on it. Then you'll have your list of 25 students that you then can take and get your data. Finally, if you have more than 100 students, you can count off every 7 students as opposed to every 4, and that is fine as well.